Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at the new range of trolley jacks available from Laser Tools. Within the range there's 5 jacks ranging from 2 tonne to 4 tonne. Let's have a look at what's available. First in the range we have this small compact 2 tonne trolley jack, which is ideal for home use or keeping in the boot of your vehicle. It comes with a carry handle and weighs just a mere 8.8 kilograms, so ideal for keeping in the boot of your vehicle. This one is also a 2 tonne trolley jack on a longer chassis, also comes with a carry handle, a low entry of just 85mm and weighs just 12 kilograms. Now we have our 3 professional workshop trolley jacks. The first one here is a 2.5 tonne. It has a low entry of just 88mm, comes with an easy lift pedal and sill protection pad. This one is our 3.5 tonne trolley jack. Also has sill protection on the handle, but now an entry level of 100mm. And now we have our 4 tonne daddy of the range. This one also comes with a sill protection, an easy lift pedal, and also an entry level of just 100mm. This is a robust workhorse that is suitable for any professional workshop. Please remember, always support the vehicle with axle stands after lifting the vehicle with a trolley jack. All these jacks are available now from your local Laser Tools dealer.